Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Hanhart Pioneer Preventor, HD12. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Here's an interesting fantasy for you. What would happen if a Sin 551 picked up a Seiko Alpinist in a bar? The result of that night might very well be the Hanhart Preventor, a go-anywhere, do-anything watch, with an oh-so-German attention to the details. While we know for a fact the inspiration for this timepiece was a Hamilton fieldwatch, at HHN we read it more as an attempt for a one-watch collection, a piece so versatile you just don't need to have any other. So let's go over the features. It has compact dimensions, with the emphasis on being slim. Not only it makes the Preventor feel comfortable on the wrist, but also it will work perfectly with a shirt's cuff. Yet slim doesn't mean flimsy. It is water-resistant up to 150 meters. Mind you, it's not because Hanhart says so, but it is according to the German DN 8310 norm. You can swim with it, no problem. The lume is just outstanding. No effort was spared here. But the key feature is the material of the case, the HD12 hardened steel. If you bump that watch against something, you will damage that something, and the Preventor most likely will be fine. You can dress it up with a leather strap, but maybe not a Bundeswehr one, like on the photo. You can go casual with the bracelet or a canvas strap. Hell, if the king of cool lived today, he'll be wearing the Preventor.
Yikes, not that guy again. But did you notice the packaging? Where's the famous German restrained aesthetics? It's just nuts, and I love it.
No respect for the icons of the past, eh? Regardless, it's a spec monster with a proper German heritage and a Swiss movement at a modest price. An endangered species these days, or a cue for other watch manufacturers that not everything has to be either high luxury or outright disposable. Quite refreshing, isn't it? Thank you for taking the time to watch the full video, and we'll catch you in the next one.